Hello, today we have this gaming PC that has a faulty GPU in it, so let's fix it. As you can see, there are a lot of lines on the screen, which usually means a broken GPU. It could also be the RAM or something else, but we've already confirmed that it is the GPU in this case. For this repair we'll need a hot air station or a heat gun, liquid soldering flux, rubbing alcohol, heat resistant tape and thermal paste. First let's take the GPU apart. We'll just remove every screw we see. We'll reflow the GPU die and the VRAM surrounding it with our heat gun set at about 250 degrees Celsius, and we'll cover the surrounding small components with heat resistant tape to avoid them flying off. We'll put liquid soldering flux under the chips to help the solder flow. First we'll preheat the board at a low temperature to avoid any sudden thermal expansion that could further damage the solder joints. After that we'll begin the reflow. We'll set our heat gun at 250 degrees Celsius and low airflow. We'll heat each VRAM chip and the GPU die for about 8 minutes. Depending on the actual airflow and temperature of your heat gun, 8 to 10 minutes and 250 to 300 degrees should be just fine. We use low airflow to avoid flying off any of the small components next to the VRAM chips. Now that the card has cooled down, let's repaste it and put it back together. Now let's test it out. And it seems to work. No lines whatsoever. As you can see, we've got firmware running now and everything seems to work just fine. Now as you can see, we've successfully booted into Windows. Before fixing the GPU we would just get an instant BSOD. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.